Today I'm gonna show you another simple VBA macro exercise. I'm gonna color the dataset, this employee master list, the rows alternately, and I'm gonna color one row interval for this dataset, and I'm gonna do it in VBA editor. So I'm gonna access the VBA editor, Alt F11. I'm gonna insert the module. I got module 1 already, and I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna close this project explorer, and I'm gonna close this properties window to make the screen a little bit bigger. I'm gonna write the sub. I'm gonna name the macro color alternate rows. Okay, that would be our macro. Enter, and then my variable would be dim I as integer, and then I'm gonna loop it for I equals 1 to 100. That would be number of rows. Then I'm gonna write if I mode number 2 is equal to 0, then enter. Then rows I close parenthesis dot interior dot color is equal to RGB. I'm gonna write the code of the color light green, and the color would be something like 200, 255. This would be light green, and 0. This would be the code of the light green color, and then enter. Then NF. I'm gonna say NF. Okay, and then to complete the loop, next I. So it will be next I, then end sub. That's it. So let's see if this is working. Now I'm gonna open the macro, and then I'm gonna run the macro. So there you have it. The data set is colored, the rows alternately, or one row interval. Okay, just a simple exercise for you. I hope you like it and you enjoy this, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.